In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive error code 0x8004de44. This error can be frustrating, but with these simple steps, you'll have it resolved in no time. Let's dive right into it. First, let's begin by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for OneDrive to function correctly. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or a wired network and that the connection is stable. You can do this by checking if other internet-dependent applications are working properly. Sometimes just a quick reset of your router or modem can do the trick. Once you've confirmed that your internet is working fine, the next thing you should do is look for the OneDrive Cloud icon in your system tray, located at the bottom right of your screen on the taskbar. This icon can sometimes hide behind the little up arrow, so be sure to click there if you don't see it immediately. With the OneDrive icon visible, give it a click. A small pop-up window will appear with several options. What you're going to do next is click on Settings. The Settings option will guide you into the area where you can manage your OneDrive configurations. In the Settings window, find and click on the Account tab. This tab is where you can review your OneDrive account details and make necessary changes to resolve sync issues. Once you're in the Account tab, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Clicking on it will disconnect your current OneDrive setup from the device. Don't worry, unlinking doesn't delete any files, it just disconnects your computer from the account momentarily. After you've unlinked the PC, the next step is to sign back into OneDrive. You'll need to use your Microsoft account credentials. Enter your email address and password to reconnect your device to OneDrive. This step essentially resets your local connection to the OneDrive servers, which can often solve the error. Now, if you're still facing the error after completing these steps, there's one more thing you can try. Uninstalling and then reinstalling OneDrive can be beneficial if the issue persists. You can uninstall OneDrive by going to your computer's control panel or settings, finding OneDrive in the list of installed programs, and selecting uninstall. After uninstallation, download the latest version of OneDrive from the official Microsoft website and reinstall it. This fresh installation can clear any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the issue. There you have it, a straightforward process to tackle OneDrive error code 0x8004de44. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the error quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your OneDrive back in working order.